Have you voted, ma'am?
Yes, I have. I have cast my vote.
So what you have see the atmosphere is good.
Everything went on very well organized.
Okay.
Very well organized.
There is no problem for anyone.
No, no.
For the women,
The women also, they are voting freely.
so atmosphere is good.
Everything very
How
good.
you are feeling actually?
I'm feeling very happy after this election, after so many years,
Yeah.
proper election. I'm very happy about it, and I hope the result will be fine. The parliament will sit, so there'll be.
Do you think this election will give the stability of Bangladesh?
I think,
Return stability?
hopefully, after what we have seen the last so many years, so I feel everything will be fine.
What is the situation?
Situation is not good enough because another free without polling agent in a separate room, someone is sealing the papers. It's totally disappointing and uncorrect.
Everywhere
Everywhere I don't know. I have visited some places.
So how hopeful the Jamaat Islami to winning this?
We were hopeful, but if this happens, how we can expect? If without polling agent, if it is sealed, so how we can hope? That's a problem.
I'm Jubair. I'm the member of BNP's student wing, Jatiyatawadi Chhatra Dal. I'm a proud member of it, and the situation is actually two-sided. Actually, we are trying to control it, but the other large party, Bangladesh Jamaat Islami, is trying to imbalance it. We have the source that they're outcasting or they're misleading the vote centers, and they're also doing criminal activities on the vote centers. They're implementing their own votes and illegal votes also. Basically, they're not actually a party. I would say Arabic word munafiq for them. Yes, that's it.
You have participated the uprising, the movement against.
Yes, I have fought in the July Revolution actually, and
New generation expectation for the future government.
the new generation expectation is totally meeting with the BNP's expectation also, and conflicting the demands of Bangladesh Jamaat Islami actually. They are not with any kind of movement. They have done many criminal activities in the 1971, and till now they are doing criminal activities. They are actually underground party, I would say. They, in my opinion, they do not have the right actually to participate in the National Assembly.
I have the feelings that I am the supporter of BNP, so I wish that BNP will win. So that is my opinion.
Do you think the women participation of the voter is less than male?
I'm exactly not sure here how many female voters are here, but as far I know, this is the posh area, so maximum people will join to attend to here for vote. Maybe after 1 hour later, maybe maximum. But in this country, female voters are the maximum people here.
The presence of the female voters is less than male.
Exactly.
What is the reason here? They are facing any barrier?
Not now. I can't see here anywhere here any situation. This is the calm situation here, so anybody can attend this program, and maybe females are coming right
But
now.
the atmosphere is quite well for the women voters. Women voters atmosphere is very good for the women voters.
Yeah, I feel good here at least. So I'm a female, so I can say that, and I couldn't see anything still. Till I'm here around 2 hours. So I couldn't see anything, any violence or anything, nothing. And there are the protections are also good all over the Gulshan area.
In this constituency, the Tariq Rahman is the BNP candidate. So how hopeful for winning this constituency, Tariq Rahman in this constituency?
Only in this area?
In this constituency.
Okay. I hope maybe he will be he will be win more than 80% of vote here. Because people was waiting for him, a leader of Bangladesh. So I can feel and I can say that he is right now one of the leader of Bangladesh who can control the country, and Bangladesh will face a new thing in the future if he will be the prime minister of this country.
You hope the Tariq Rahman will be the next prime minister of Bangladesh?
Inshallah.